Hello everybody. Welcome to DRM Engineering. Today we will have a look at how the phone communication has developed over time. Do watch the video till the end as a question awaits you. Come, let's jump into the video. First, let us understand what communication is. Communication is the exchange of information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium. In today's video we will see how information is transferred over a line, or in some cases without a line. Let us see how phones have been evolving over time. Though there are several stages of evolution of phone communication. In today's video we will take a closer look at the following: liquid transmitter, Stroger, Frankfurt Bauhaus, and the latest version. Before getting into the main topic, let us understand the foundation of telephones. Mechanical and acoustics devices existed well before Graham Bell's telephone. These devices were used for communicating over greater distance, greater than that of normal direct speech. These devices consisted of two acoustic tin cans and a wire that connects its diaphragm. When a person speaks from one end, the sound is transmitted to the other tin by mechanical vibration along the wire. This is how it worked. And this was the first form of telephone known to us. The liquid transmitter is the first form of phone communication known to us. This device consists of a cone, membrane, needle, and liquid acid. When a person speaks through the cone, the membrane vibrates. As the membrane vibrates, the depth of the needle changes. That in turn changes the current being transmitted. This vibration is then heard as sound. You could take a look at the animation that follows. Stroger 11-digit potbelly dial candlestick. This is the first dial telephone. The inventor Alman Stroger lived in Kansas City in the late 1800s. After spending years, Stroger developed the first automated telephone switch out of electromagnets and hat pins. A selector starts in the home position, and with each impulse the wiper contacts would progress round the output bank to the next position. Each output would be connected to a different subscriber. Thus the caller could connect to any other subscriber who was connected to that bank, without any manual assistance from an operator. The rotary dialed telephone sits neatly on a flat surface, with the somewhat larger handset extending much wider than the body. There are two small buttons on the front face of the body. A gray one top left is an extension switch and slides up and down. A black recall button is fitted on the lower right side. A black metal label holder is affixed to the front edge. There are perforated air vents on each side of the body. When you speak into a cell phone, a tiny microphone in the handset converts the up and down sounds of your voice into a corresponding up and down pattern of electrical signals. A microchip inside the phone turns these signals into strings of numbers. The numbers are packed up into a radio wave and beamed out from the phone's antenna. The radio wave races through the air at the speed of light until it reaches the nearest cell phone mast. The mast receives the signals and passes them on to its base station, which effectively coordinates what happens inside each local part of the cell phone network, which is called a cell. From the base station, the calls are routed onward to their destination. Calls made from a cell phone to another cell phone on the same network travel to their destination by being routed to the base station nearest to the destination phone, and finally to that phone itself. Calls made to a cell phone on a different network or a landline follow a more lengthy path. They may have to be routed into the main telephone network before they can reach their ultimate destination. Phone companies have talked of creating a smartphone that is so robust that it can actually be folded in two by the user. These phones could be wrapped around your wrist, transformed into a GPS-enabled belt clip for hiking and extreme sports, or used as a flat screen for watching videos. Companies are always looking to make their products more environmentally friendly, and phone makers are no exception, with researchers looking into biodegradable materials and cleaner energy charging. At the Mobile World Congress trade show, Kyocera showcased a solar-powered prototype. This phone was primarily designed for users who work outdoors, as well as anyone who's likely to be away from a power source for an extended period of time. In the future, phones will soon have holographic displays that allows you to beam virtual displays to interact with. There is audio clipping coming up your way. Listen to it and do comment what were the words in the audio, and who spoke those words.
You are my heart. Alexander Graham.
With this we come to the end of today's video. Hope it was informative. We'll meet you in the next video shortly. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, do not forget to comment about the audio clipping. It is bye from DRM.